Good morning, friend. Standard 9th, that is lesson number 1. We are doing the real number. The last topic is related real number is that is law of exponent of real number. Law of exponent of real number, that is our last topic. So when we start, before we start it, that is exercise 1.6, before we start it, law of exponent for. So what is the meaning of exponent? Already exponent we have understanding 8th standard related with the rational number. In 8th standard में rational number में we have understand the law of exponent means power. Now we have to understand this in the real number. From real number means where we have to write under root p by q, root 25, root 5, root 3, root 4. They are all the real number. Whole number, that is natural number, whole number, integer, rational number, irrational number, all are under the real number. So now we have to understand the law of exponent for real number. Already we have learned this law related with the 8th standard. First law is a the power m multiplied by a the power n. So in multiplication we know that we have to do the addition of it. In multiplication we know that we have to add the power, that is a m plus n. Now some question is like that, if I will write 3 the power 5 and here write 3 the power 2. So we can say that 3 the power 5 plus 2, that is 3 the power 7. Now if you will write 4 the power 1 by 2 multiplied by 4 the power 3 by 2. So now in multiplication we know that we have to add the power, that is 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So now LCM is common, that is 2. LCM is 2. 1 plus 3, that is 4. Now if we cancel it, that is 2. So 4 the power 2. That is our answer. So it is the related with the first rule, that is a the power m multiplied by a the power n. Then what we have to do? A the power m plus n. It is with the rule of multiplication. So law of exponent for the real number, first law is law of exponent for addition. In multiplication what we have to do? Addition. So it is called law of multiplication. So law of multiplication, what we have to do? Addition of power. Either it should be negative, it should be positive, may be possible. So that is first sum. Here it is second. More examples we can see third sum. Now if 5 the power minus 2 into 5 the power plus 3. So again 5 the power minus 2. So 5. In multiplication we have to do the addition of power, that is minus 2 plus 3, that is 5 the power 2. You can also write 25. So that is the related with the law of exponent, but first law is law of multiplication. So in law of multiplication just you have to add the power. Either power should be positive, power should be negative, power should be in form of rational number, that is p upon q, that is the rational number. Now second law, that is law of divisible. So already we have explained this in 8th standard, that is law of exponent. Second law is law of divisible. So in divisible what we have to do? In divisible what we are doing? A the power m upon a the power n. So in divisible we are doing subtraction. We are doing the subtraction. That is, if I will write now as an example, we can understand better. 3 the power 5 divided by 3 the power 2. 3 the power 5 divided by 3 the power 2. What I have to write? 3 the power 5 minus 2. That is 3 the power 3. 3 the power 5 minus. Why I have to write 5 minus 2? Because of divisible. So in divisible rule, what we have to do? Subtraction. M when m is greater then n. There are 3 lobes, but it is easy that you have to understand like that. Now again, it should be, number should be changed. It should be in form of rational number 3 to the power 1 by 2 divided by 3 to the power 1 by 3. Now 3 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So now LCM is 6. Here LCM is 6. So now 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. How we simplify? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, that is LCM is 6. Now each term multiply by LCM. So 2 into 3, that is 3. 3 into 2, that is minus 2. So I have to write 1 by 6. So I have to write 3 to the power 1 by 6. Such type of sum you must know because it should be helpful further. Again हम लोग जब क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे, एनी सम्स वी आर डूइंग ऑन दैट टाइम वी आर सिंप्लीफाइंग द सम. जब हम लोग किसी भी सम को सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं तो वी हैव टू राइट लाइक दैट 3 1 by 2 3 1 by 3. Now if we simplify, that answer is 3 to the power 1 by 6. So it is related with the log of divisible. Now third log, that is power of power. A the power m, a the power m is called log of multiplication. A the power m, the power n. So power of power, we are doing multiplication. If I will write 3 to the power 2 the power 2, what I have to write? 3 to the power 2 into 2, that is 3 to the power 4. Again power of power I have to do the multiplication. One more sum, 3 to the power 1 by 3 the power 3. Then 3 to the power 1 by 3 multiply by 3 cut. Answer is 3. So power of power, what we have to do? Rule the power of power means multiplication. Power of power means multiplication. 3 1 by 3 the power 3. So this power of power multiplication, 3 cut 3 the power 1. So answer is 3. So it is related with the power of power. Here it is called next law. All are importance law which is useful to solve the sum. AB the power m. AB the power m, it is called distribution. So A the power m into B the power m. What I am writing? A the power m. Maybe questions is like that 75, or we can write 25. Now if power is, here I am writing 2. So what I have to write? Again A into B. So I can write 5 into 5 and power 2. So 5 the power 2 and 5 the power 2. If I write 15 and here power 3, then 3 the power 5. The power 3 multiplied by 5 power. If you open this, 3 the power 3 and 5 the power 3. So what is the rule? Again A into B the power m. We open it, then A the power m, B the power n. So if question is like that, now 20 into 30 the power 2. 20 the power 2, 10 the power 2. So what we have to write? 20 into 10 the power 2, that is 200 the power 2. So we can solve this to the power, that is 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So different rules are used, but simple is A B the power m means A the power m into B the power m. Now again P upon Q form, that is if A the power m upon B the power, here it is bracket. If I will open the bracket, A the power m and B the power m. If question is 5 the power 7, 1 upon upon 2. Then I have to write 5 1 by 2 and 7 1 by 2. 5 by 7 bracket open. If I will open this bracket, then 5 1 by 2 divided by 7 1 by 2. Again, a upon b whole the power m, whole the power is there. Then I have to open the bracket. A the power m and b the power m. Sixth law, a the power minus n. Then if I want to remove this negative sign, I have to use as a denominator. So if I will write 2 the power minus 3, then I have to write 2 the power 3. So answer is 1 upon 8. So now again 2 the power minus 3, to remove negative sign you have to these rules follow. You have to follow this rule. 1 upon a the power n. 1 upon 2 the power 3, that is 1 upon 8. Now 2 the power 0, we will write answer 1. Why? There is a one identity that when a the power 0, answer is 1. So any number whose power is 0, answer is always 1. Now these are all the important for square root, cube root. So when you are doing like n a, what I have to write? A the power 1 upon n. If I will write 4 the power, here it is root 3, then what I have to write? 4 1 by 3. Why? Because n as n, here it is 3, as a we are using 4. So a the power 1 by n. Generally, now question is like that. Here it is 3, 8. So what I have to write? 8 the power 1 by 3. That is 8 means 2 the power 3, 1 by 3. 3 is 3 cut. So answer is 2. Now last, that is question is like that. N power n. It is nth root. Nth root. A is nth root. That is first of all, what I have to write? A 1 upon n the power n. So now if I will open the bracket, m upon n. So these are all the most important sum. So now we can do the example of it. You can do what you have to write. Here it is 3. Here it is 4. And power is 2. Then I have to write 4 to the power 3. That way I have to write. So 4 or 5 examples I am writing it here. If you will see properly. So we can do it whole sums. From fourth sum we are doing 7 1 by 2 multiply by 12 1 by 2. So 12 into 7, that is 84 1 by 2. Now power of power multiplication 4. We are doing 4 into 1 by 5 multiply by 3. That is 4 3 by 5. Here it is divisible. Now, so these are all the 8th rule that you have to do exercise 1.6. But in exercise 1.6, there are more sums related with the square and cube. So anyhow you have to remember the square, cube, power 4, power 5. To the power 2, that is 4. To the power 3, that is 8. To the power 4, that is 16. To the power 5, that is 32. That you have to anyhow write it. 3 to the power 2, that is 9. 3 to the power 3, that is 27. 3 to the power 4, that is 81. 3 to the power 5, that is 243. 5 to the power 2, that is 25. 5 to the power 3, that is 125. 5 to the power 4, that is 625. And 5 to the power 5, that is 125. These are all the square, to the square, cube, fourth power and fifth power. Anyhow you have to remember, because in your exercise 1.6, last exercise, there are different type of sum like that. So we can do by using this formula. Question is 625 minus 2. What you have to do this? How you can solve this? If you know that 5 the power 4. So first of all, what I have to write? Again, power 2. Six 25 1 by 2. First easy sum you have to understand. So 5 the power 4 1 by 2. Power of power multiplication. So answer is 5 the power 2, that is 25. That type of sums may be asked. Now I am writing some 10 sums and you have to try to solve it yourself.